Well, guys, let's be quiet. We just
We're lucky
caught.
he'll run towards us
We just
and
saw.
get away from us.
We caught a rabbit. See him in the video? There he goes. Bunny rabbit ran away. Rabbits are pretty cool, and I threw some tomatoes out there, so I think he's going to eat my grape tomatoes later tonight for a snack. Love nature. We got so muddy. Look at my shoes, guys. Full of mud. My pants full of mud. These trails are so muddy, sinking in mud left and right. We still haven't found the boardwalk. Haven't seen any deer, but there are foxes out here and possum and all kinds of animals. Woodpeckers. That'd be cool to get a woodpecker though. Oh. We'll keep you. See how muddy it is? All this mud. Oh, sinking in. Well, once I hit the boardwalk, I'll show you guys if we can find it.